In 1614, a single pamphlet appeared in Germany that would ignite a continent-wide obsession. It promised nothing less than all the knowledge of the universe to those who could find an invisible brotherhood. Within months, kings and scholars across Europe were searching desperately for a secret order that claimed to possess revolutionary secrets. The Rosicrucians had announced themselves and the Intoisons. Who were these mysterious figures who emerged from nowhere with promise of universal wisdom? The Rosicrucians claimed to be heirs to ancient Egyptian and Hermetic knowledge, guardians of secrets that could unlock the mystery of nature itself. Their influence allegedly reached into the heart of the scientific revolution, shaping the minds of history's greatest thinkers while remaining completely invisible to the public eye. But were they a genuine secret society, or an elaborate hoax designed to spark intellectual revolution? The truth about the Rosicrucians lies somewhere between documented history and centuries of speculation. The story begins with three anonymous manifestos published between 1614 and 1616. The first, Fama Fraternitatis, told the tale of Christian Rosencreuz, a mythical figure who supposedly traveled through the Middle East, studying with sage and gathering ancient wisdom before returning to Germany to found a secret brotherhood. The second manifesto, Confessio Fraternitatis, expanded on their claim, promising that this hidden order possessed knowledge that could endanger, cure all disease, and reveal the fundamental laws of nature. The third, The Chemical Wedding of Christian Rosencreuz, was an alchemical algorithm so complex that scholars still debate its meaning today. This document appeared without warning, without attribution, and without any evidence that the author actually existed. Yet they spread like wildfire across Europe, inspiring countless seekers to search for the invisible Rosicrucians. The manifesto ended with an invitation and a challenge to anyone who believed they possessed the wisdom to join this secret fraternity. But there was a catch: the Rosicrucians would find you, not the other way around. And so began one of history's most intriguing treasures hunt, not for gold or jewel, but for knowledge itself. The Rosicrucians alleged influence on science operate through a fascinating paradox: they claim to be completely hidden, yet their fingerprint appear through the scientific revolution. Isaac Newton, perhaps the most influential scientist in history, fied thousands of pages with Rosicrucian-inspired alchemical studies. His private manuscript reveal an obsession with the same hermetic principle the Rosicrucians claim to possess. Robert Boyle, father of modern chemistry, corresponded in code about an invisible college that bore striking similarity to Rosicrucian ideal. Even the Royal Society, founded in 1660 as the world's first national scientific institution, emerged from group that had been meeting to discuss the very ideas the Rosicrucians had popularized. The timing is uncanny. The Rosicrucian Manifesto appeared in 1614, and within decade, Europe experienced an unprecedented explosion of scientific discovery. Was this coincidence, or did the Rosicrucians call for a new scientific paradigm actually reshape Western thought? Their method was subtle, not direct instruction, but the dissemination of an idea that nature's secret could be unlocked through a combination of empirical observation and ancient wisdom. This philosophy allegedly created a network of like-minded seekers who influenced each other while maintaining the secrecy that the original manifesto had promised. The Rosicrucians never revealed themselves publicly, yet their ideas permeated the intellectual underground of 17th century Europe. The legacy of the Rosicrucians extends far beyond the 17th century. In the 18th century, they were allegedly absorbed into Freemasonry, influencing the development of ETS IG degree. In the 19th century, French occultist Eliphas Lévy claimed that Rosicrucian principles were the foundation of all Western esoteric tradition. The Hermetic Order of the Golden Dawn, which counted WBIT and Aleister Crowley among ETS members, presented itself as a modern manifestation of Rosicrucian wisdom. Even today, organizations like Amor claim to be the authentic heir of the original Brotherhood, offering correspondence course in their teaching. But here's the central mystery: despite centuries of influence, there's no definitive proof that the original Rosicrucians ever existed as a real organization. The manifesto may have been an elaborate intellectual prank by a group of German Protestants, or perhaps a marketing campaign for alchemical text. Yet the fact remains that these anonymous documents changed the course of Western intellectual history. They created a template for secret society that persist to this day. The idea that hidden knowledge, possessed by an elite few, could transform the world. Whether real or imagined, the Rosicrucian gave form to humanity's deepest desire, that somewhere, hidden from ordinary view, lies the key to understanding everything. The Rosicrucian remain one of history's most intriguing mystery, a secret society that may never have existed, yet whose ideas shaped the birth of modern science. Their anonymous manifesto sparked a revolution in thought, influencing figures like Newton while maintaining complete invisibility. They gave us the archetype of the hidden brotherhood guarding ancient wisdom, an idea that continue to fascinate us centuries later. But the ultimate question remain unanswered, were the Rosicrucians brilliant au accès ou accidentally changed history, or did they truly possess the ancient knowledge they claim to guard? The truth, like the brotherhood itself, remain hidden. What if the greatest secret of human knowledge were hidden in plain sight all along? Hit that like button and subscribe for more exploration into the hidden force that shaped our world. Next week, we will uncover the mysterious group that allegedly controlled European politics from the shadow of the real story behind the Illuminati.